My name is David Shapiro at Lower Chundu. So I've been here at Lower Chundu for 3 years. I started first working as a security in the year 2016 on the 1st of July. That's when I became a security guard. So from there on, I worked as a security for 2 years. Then I jumped in to the food and beverage. Then from there, I worked also, I trained. From there, I trained for about 6 months. That's when I got my certificate to work with the bar and also the kitchen staff as an F&B restaurant and also bar attendant. Okay, so I live within the liver areas, which is about 3 kilometers from the lodge. So today, now, this lovely moment, I'm gonna make the coffee, which is made from the roasted seed, okra seeds. So I'm gonna crush them here on my board. I'm gonna crush them with my loading pin. So I keep on crushing them until the powder is formed. So the coffee is called Granny's coffee. The reason why it is called Granny's coffee is on a certain point at home at the village, we learn out of coffee. Then Granny had to make a plan. Just got the okra seeds, roasted them, and made the coffee from the roasted seeds. So this is the reason why I call it Granny's coffee. Okay, so I have to make enough for two guests, for 2 people. So you need to be careful when crushing them because they might deaden the whole place for you. So always has to be careful. And make sure you bring the powder together. Okay. So I'm gonna get my powder. Push them a little bit. Because they have to be very soft. Okay, now the powder is formed. I'm gonna get my plunger. And I'm going to put inside in the plunger. Then I'll get my water, which is cold water, warm, very cold, very hot water. I'll go in there. That's enough. Okay, I'll do. Okay, so I'll wait a little bit. Then from there, I can put my serving cup ready. Have the sugar. Oh, sorry. Have the sugar here. Okay. So now it's ready to be served. You have to make sure that is okay. So it's a little bit weak. So I had to add more okra seeds, powder them, add a lot of them, so that all the flavors are formed. So if you want, you can enjoy it just like this, or you can add our local milk, which we get from our own clothes, our own cows. In the morning around 7, 8, we go to the cows, we get some milk, we milk some of the cows, then we get some milk, we add in our lovely coffee. Please enjoy.
Thank you.